Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. I welcome you to Magic Aiden's staking tutorial. This video gonna be a long one, so just tighten your belts and let's dive into it. I hope my screen is visible. So in this video, we'll be talking about what is staking. We'll understand Magic Aiden platform. We'll do real ME token staking on Magic Aiden. And in the last, we'll understand about Yepper's rewards program. So without further ado, let's get started with what is staking. So staking is a process where you store your money, your hard-earned money, in a programmed wallet, which will use that money for the operations of the blockchain. And in the return, it will provide you some of the rewards, which directly or indirectly means you are earning a passive income on your ideal money. So this is what is called as staking. To understand it better, let's see a quick animation. Imagine you have $700 in your pocket. Now, you don't have any need of this $700 for 1 week of time. And you don't want it to be ideal like that because no one likes money staying in their pocket without earning anything behalf of you. So you decide to talk about it with your friend Emmy. So who is Emmy? Emmy is a representative of Magic Eden. Now, you give that $700 in a USDC currency in a stable coin to Emmy. What Emmy does? Emmy takes it up and she deposits into a programmed wallet for a time period of 7 days. Now, these 7 days, starting from day 1, that money, that USDC value will be used on a blockchain. And for this animation, let's take it is being invested or it is being logged in for operations to happen on Solana blockchain. After completing day 1, it will generate some rewards and so on till day 7. We'll have some of the rewards collected on day 1, on day 2, on day 3, on day 4 and so on till day 7. Now this 7 days period is over. So what happens is these rewards are being added into the initial amount that you have added into the programmed wallet, which Emmy will return to you. So this whole process of adding the money into the wallet, locking it for some period of time, and that period of time, it helps the blockchain to get more operations smoothly. And in return, the blockchain will reward you with some rewards, which will be added to your initial investment. So this whole thing is called as staking. So with that, let's understand like what really happened in the background, like how Emmy staked it, like how Emmy used that $700 and staked it, where she staked that amount. You ask Emmy that how she has used it, and Emmy tells that she has used a platform called Magic Eden. And you ask that what is Magic Eden? So basically, a Magic Eden is an amazing all-in-one platform where you can sell, buy, swap, trade, and also stake tokens on multiple chains. Like Magic Edens provide you multiple options on multiple chains, which we'll see right now. So next, we'll be exploring Magic Eden platform. And to explore this platform, you need to head to www.magicaden.io. I repeat, you have to go to www.magicaden.io. So as I told you, Magic Eden is an all-in-one platform where you can trade, mint, create, swap, sell, buy all in one place with options to explore and do these operations on multiple chains. As you can see, I have shared the screenshot of the application and you can see that there are multiple chains available on it. There is Solana, there is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Base and others. Not only that, whenever you click on any of the chain, for example, if you click on Solana, you will see a quick chart about how the NFTs are performing on this particular chain. Plus, you can also see what are the new NFTs are being launched, where you can grab them and get benefits of initial believer. And there are much more things that you can explore. So go and check it out Magic Eden platform as www.magicaden.io. Next, let's do a quick staking with Magic Eden. You have to either you can do this with me or you can just note down the steps and do it yourself. So you remember that Blue Tiger has given $700 to Emmy, but Emmy didn't told you like how she invested or logged in that amount. So what happened in the background is Emmy swapped that USDC, that 700 USDC token or money into Magic Eden's Emmy token, which is Magic Eden's own native token to help all the operations on the platform. So how she had done that? She has done it through swap tab on the Magic Eden. And here is a quick tutorial of how you can swap USDC with Emmy. So as you can see, first you need to swap your USDC into Emmy tokens. How you will do? Either you can go onto the swap tab or you can go to the rewards tab, which is just beside the profile icon. Clicking on it, you will get this swap model where you need to add minimum of 10 USDC for this tutorial, which we are taking up. You can add as low as 5, 6. And for this tutorial, let's go with 10 USDC. So as I put in 10 USDC and I can see that it automatically calculates how many Emmy tokens I can get and I can approve the transaction. Remember, you need to connect your wallet to do this transaction. Once done, you can see Emmy token, number of Emmy tokens displayed on the right hand side of the application. Next, let's see how to stake ME token. To stake ME token, what you need to do is you need to go on right hand side where you can see stake option. Now here you have to select amount as maximum, or you can add how many ME tokens you want to stake. So once you add it there, you need to select a lockup period. Lockup period is nothing but the period of time till when you want to keep it safe or keep it with the Magic Eden platform. Remember that you can't withdraw or transfer these ME tokens within that lockup period. So be sure of it how many days you're putting it. For our tutorial, we are keeping it as 99 days, and based on your lockup period time, you will get different titles like Believer, Dungeon, Max Dungeon. Max Dungeon is of 1046 days around, which comes to for 4 years on this platform. So for this tutorial, let's go with 99 days. And as we log, you can see the stake end date, the time period of 99 days, the total staked and staking power. So staking power is nothing but it's a formula, it's a way that Magic Edens provide you more leverage on how many tokens you have invested or staked with them. So as you do it, you can see that staking power is calculated in this formula. So you will take amount of ME staked and it is getting multiplied by the lockup duration. So in our case, the lockup period is 99 days, and that gives us a multiplier of 2.26, which is multiplied by 13, and we get 29.59, which is our staking power. Now let's understand how staking ME works. So what happens is, as you stake ME on Magic Eden, there is a unique system which blends the traditional token lockup with the active participation to maximize the whole reward. So what happens is the amount of ME that you stake in, that is being multiplied by the number of actions that you do on the platform. You can do trading, you can do mint, you can also swap, you can do sell and buy the NFTs. All of these activities will be added to your ME staking power, which ultimately gives a additional power to the amount that you have entered. Plus, it rewards you for exploring the platform, which is a win-win situation for the Magic Eden and also for you. So once you approve the stake, you can see the leaderboard, you can see the rewards and everything on this particular dashboard. So this Magic Eden dashboard will give you a glimpse of where you stand. What are the different tasks you can do to earn more? Like you can do swap, you can do trade, you can complete some of the quests, you can also do lucky buys. So all of these details are presented on this Magic Eden rewards dashboard, and completing each of these steps will give you more leverage on the amount that you have staked. Now let's understand about Epper's reward program. So this particular reward program is designed in a such a way that the many times or the how many times you express your feelings, express your quality content about Magic Eden, the more of rewards you will get. So you can read about this on the official post on the X, formerly known as Twitter, and you can see the leaderboard, like who are at the top and how they are creating content. Basically, on Magic Eden, you can earn by different ways. You can earn by staking your token. You can earn by completing some of the tasks like swap, selling and buying NFTs. And not only that, but you can also earn by talking about it. You can talk about it. You can post it on Twitter. And once you link your Twitter account with Yepper, you will rise on the leaderboard and you will earn from it. Ultimately, by just talking and doing some stake on Magic Eden, on an average, you can approximately earn around $300 per month, which is simply as passive income. So with that note, I will conclude this video. If you like this one, if you learned something from this video, definitely like and subscribe to the channel, and also go and check it out, Magic Eden. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep working out, keep learning, and grow.